Everyone is talking about running AI on their own computer, but nobody tells you the most important thing. There are two very different tools for doing this, and picking the wrong one can ruin the whole experience. I tested both Ollama and LM Studio for months. Today, I will tell you exactly which one you should use. Let us start with Ollama. Ollama is a tool built for developers and technical users. It runs AI models on your own computer using a simple command. You type one line in your terminal and the model starts downloading. That's it. No complicated setup, no account needed. It's completely free, and it always will be. Once a model is ready, the responses are very fast, faster than most online AI tools. By early 2026, Ollama has over 160,000 stars on GitHub. That makes it one of the most popular AI tools in the world. But here's the honest truth. If you've never used a terminal before, Ollama will feel very hard. It's not just about typing commands. When something breaks, you have to fix it yourself. There's no visual screen to guide you. That is why many beginners give up before they even start. Now, let's talk about LM Studio. LM Studio is the complete opposite of Ollama. It's a desktop app with a clean and beautiful interface. You can browse AI models like you're shopping in an app store. You download a model with a single click. You start chatting right away. No commands needed at all. You can see your memory usage and processor speed in real time. It's like a live dashboard for your AI. And just like Ollama, it's completely free to use. Here's a big update that most people still don't know. People used to say LM Studio doesn't work on Linux. That is no longer true. LM Studio now fully supports Windows, Mac, and Linux, so that excuse is completely gone. Now let's talk about speed. I tested the same AI model on both tools. Ollama was 10 to 20% faster in most tests. It also uses much less memory, around 100 megabytes to run. LM Studio uses around 500 megabytes just for the interface. That difference matters a lot on older or cheaper computers. But here's where LM Studio wins. It gives you more control over how the AI behaves. You can change settings like response length and creativity using simple sliders. Everything is labeled clearly on screen. With Ollama, you have to change these settings by editing files or typing extra options in your terminal. And here's something new in 2026 that changes everything. LM Studio is no longer just a beginner tool. It now has its own command line tool. It supports connecting AI models to external apps, and it has a new feature that lets you access your local AI from another device securely. And developers are now taking LM Studio seriously too. So who should use which tool? If you're a developer or you build apps, Ollama is the right choice. It's faster, lighter, and you can automate everything with it. Once you learn it, it becomes very powerful. And who should use LM Studio? If you're a writer, student, or just curious about AI, use LM Studio. It's easy to start and you won't feel lost. The visual interface makes everything simple. So here's my honest opinion after months of testing both. You don't have to choose just one. I use Ollama for my work and automation, and I use LM Studio when I want to quickly try a new model. They can even share the same model files on your computer, so you don't use double the storage space. Both tools are free, both are updated regularly in 2026, and both keep your data private on your own machine. That alone makes local AI worth trying. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Every week, I compare the most talked about tools side by side. Software, AI, marketing, finance. Check out the next video right here. And tell me in the comments which tool you would pick. I read every single comment. See you in the next one.